Hello everyone and welcome to Vermonton Management. In this video, I will go over some tips that will help you start your civil surgeon operations in your medical facility. This line of business can generate between $1,000 to $10,000 per month in revenue on average. This, of course, depends on your location, the current demand, the current political climate, your ability to deliver, and market. The first thing you need to consider when you're starting this line of business is your pricing. Your pricing will be divided in three main elements: the physical exam, vaccines, and the labs. I will focus on a cash-based model because this is usually the most attractive one, but you can do a combination of cash and insurance claim. If you're going to do this as a cash-based model system, first consider charging for the physical examination what you will normally charge for an out-of-pocket visit for a routine physical exam. I suggest you do a brief Google search and find out how much your competitors are charging and what package they're offering and adjust accordingly to stay competitive. For vaccines, since these are usually not covered by insurance company for adults unless there is a medical necessity, and depending on the state, you will have to purchase these privately. For New York specifically, for the most part, you have to purchase these. I suggest you consider pricing your vaccines with a margin that takes into account potential vaccine wastage and mistakes from part of yourself or the medical team. For children who are eligible to receive free vaccines nationwide, you can use the program that allows clinics to provide free vaccines for children who are eligible throughout the United States. You can also, or you should also find out if your state or local city government has any vaccine funding program. Having vaccines at a lower cost would increase your chances to get more patients and have this flowing a lot better. For labs, if you're charging out of pocket and not sending a claim, I suggest you get in touch with the lab you most commonly use to get a preferred pricing on the labs you will be doing for Form I-693. This would allow you to get better margins. This is the quick Google search. Call your competitors, ask them about the pricing, ask them about their package, and then adjust accordingly. Now let's talk marketing briefly. First, ensure the information in the USCIS website about your clinic is 100% accurate. At the beginning, this will be your biggest driver of client, customer, patients. So you need to figure it out and find out that your address, your telephone number, and every single information that is on that website is accurate, so people who are looking for these services are able to find you. Second, create a Google My Business and or Bing, but definitely Google My Business just for this service, and just name the listing immigration physicals or immigration exam physical or any other keyword that people in your surroundings are using to find this service. This will give you a lot more visibility, and not only is it going to open another set of customers, it's going to capture more potential clients. 3, consider looking for platforms that are made specifically for this. For example, I use this platform called Easy IME. This platform is 100% dedicated just for people who are looking for this physical exams for immigration, and they find doctors via this website. 4, consider creating a marketing relationship with attorneys in your area or big immigration law offices. Call them, visit them, introduce yourself, try to see if there is anything that you could do for them in terms of marketing. Get their business cards, get their flyers, leave your business cards, leave your flyers, try to create the marketing relationship with them. 5, organizations. I put an example, Esmeralda I Immigration Center. It's a organization that provides all kind of immigration support services for new migrants. Definitely reach out to organizations such as this one. Same as with attorney and immigration law offices. Visit them, leave your flyers, make yourself known, make yourself be present, and just start that relationship with them. 6, post on your social media. Use your social media to let everybody know that you now have another line of business and you are taking another set of patients. 7, if you have an email marketing tool and you have the emails of all of your patients, consider sending periodic email blast. Maybe once a month, once every 2 months, reminding them that you also have this line of business. This is the website EasyIME that people use to find this type of services. This is the USCIS website to find a civil surgeon. And this is just the example of the organization. Organizations such as this one, these are the ones that you need to leverage. Lastly, you got to stay compliant. Be sure to update your USCIS of any changes in your current status, any changes in your medical practice, if you move, if you change phone number, anything, so they could have that information updated on their end. 2, you must complete all the responsibilities. And 3, you must avoid revocation. More information about this is 1 on the instructions on how to fill the form I910. It tells you all of the elements that could provoke a revocation, and on how to complete form I-693. There is a lot of resources in the USCIS website. I would put all of the links on the description. That way you could read everything about it and stay compliant and stay on top of everything that the USCIS is asking you to do once you fill out this form I-693. If you have any questions, if I missed anything, please write it in the comment, and we're done.